Here I'm starting my hike and see a group of Frenchmen that are starting their hike to the volcano as well. Today is quite windy, a bit chilly, and was raining. So I'm going to walk to the volcano, and you see the smokes are coming from it. It's active, I can tell you. So let's start our hike. So which route to take? I'm not sure, you know. I guess last time I walked at route A. Today I will make a change. I will walk route B. So I'm continuing my hike, and we're climbing Fagradalsfjall. There are some people in front of me, and some are going down, but not many walk this trail. Very few, because it's a kind of a hard ascent here. You see, also very windy today. This is the view I have today. Not hard, creaky. This vast plain is a lava field, about 5,000 years old. It's all overgrown with moss. And this is Fagradalsfjall mountain. Cloudy today as always, and Iceland very often cloudy. But there it's clear sky next to the volcano. And I was asking some people who were coming down if there is lava. They told there is. So hopefully we will have some nice footage today as well. And I have only 2 hours before the sunset, because I want to make some daytime footages. I will already fly a drone next to the ocean there and make some nice film on lava pathway to the ocean. It will be interesting for you. But now we have to get to the volcano. Well, after 40 times, this is my trip number 40. Of course, you can imagine I'm more fit to climb this, and it's not so difficult for me as the first times. I can do it quite easily, and after the trip, thanks God, I don't have any muscle pains or anything. I don't feel very much tired, so it's a good exercise. It's a brilliant exercise, actually. So I'll talk to you later. Go to the top of Fagradalsfjall, and you see most of people are walking that direction. They walk by the market poles, trail B poles. But I will make a shortcut. I walk this way to the north of Geldingadalur, because that's where the lava is going, you know. I don't want to make extra cycle. I just want to get straight to the target, to the lava field. And you see what is happening. See the pink color over there? That is a volcano erupting right now. This is what I see here from Fagradalsfjall. In the daytime it's 6:30 now in the evening. So I will walk a bit to the left to get to northern Geldingadalur. That's where lava is going. So talk to you later.